Hello, friends. Today, I will demonstrate how to unblock DAZN using NordVPN in 2025. If you enjoy watching sports, you are aware that DAZN offers different content depending on the country. I will now explain in detail how to access all broadcasts. What is the issue with DAZN? DAZN aggressively uses geo-blocking, different broadcasting rights in each country. Some leagues are only available in certain regions. VPN service IP addresses are blocked by one of the strictest filters on the market. Simply put, not every VPN can handle DAZN. Most just get an error or an empty library. Why NordVPN is one of the few that actually works with DAZN. Huge server network. 7,300 plus servers, including working locations for DAZN. Constantly updated IP addresses. NordVPN can bypass DAZN's anti-VPN filters. Obfuscated servers hide the fact that you are using a VPN, which is critical for DAZN. NordLynx protocol, high streaming speed, stability even in 4K. Countries where DAZN works best with NordVPN in 2025. United States, Canada, Japan, Germany, Italy, Spain. NordVPN has optimized servers for these regions that provide access to the most comprehensive sports broadcasts. Step-by-step connection plan. Step 1. Launch NordVPN. Step 2. Select a server in the country whose DAZN library you want to access. Step 3. Connect to the server. Step open DAZN. Broadcasts from the selected server's region are now available. If you encounter connection errors, change the server within the selected country. Clear your browser cache and cookies before launching DAZN. Update the NordVPN app to the latest version. What other benefits does NordVPN offer? Streaming support on any device, PCs, smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, protection from sniffers and phishing sites via threat protection, no logs policy. Your viewing history is not recorded. A little about the price in 2025. 2 years of NordVPN, $3.39 per month. Plus 3 free months, ESIM with 10 gigabytes of data, up to 10 devices, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. The bottom line is simple. DAZN is one of the most difficult services to bypass geoblocks. But with NordVPN, it's absolutely possible and stable. And you get not only access to matches, but also complete protection of your data. The link to NordVPN is below this video. All bonuses are in the pinned comment. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and see you in the next episodes of VPN Unlocked.